Good morning, welcome to vlogmas day 21. Today I get the fine honor of driving these cool kids to school. You would probably not guess, but this is a breakfast for 3 girls. This is just the starting.
Not even me.
Get some, Sam.
Huh.
It's for the girls.
I'm good.
You know what I'm saying?
The girls that want to get gains.
Really good. Like that.
Okay, this is Rachel's breakfast.
You only like the girls, and I'm not gonna like you.
Why are you like calling me out like this?
If you don't
I'm
like
not.
Thank
I'm
you.
admiring your protein intake. Hi Janelle, is it busting? Sam is a TikTok professional pomegranate peeler, but he doesn't eat them and he wants that to be made very clear.
Last time I had that one.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Yeah.
I wanna have a picture.
Tell me, that's not easier? You are capping.
You are straight capping.
Amazing. Thanks, Sam.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Welcome to the vlog, and I like to learn about animals.
That's almost the same as I did, but I just don't open it all at once.
And I know, welcome to the vlog.
Yeah, welcome to the vlog. Thank you, Ty. Where are we going?
To the mall.
To the beach.
To the mall.
To the beach.
To the beach.
To the mall.
Oh, it's a big puddle.
We're at the beach. What? We're going to the beach cafe and we're gonna see what kind of coffee they have. Because we thought it was like...
I will tell you this, it won't be anything as to what Australia cafes have to offer. I've said it. I'll say it again.
The wind probably blocked out what you said. It's kind of windy right now. We thought it was like a coffee shop, but with like a cafe type more like deal, so. What's up, girls? We went to the beach, got 0 to no footage. Now we're getting PDQ.
We're going to PDQ. I'm quite excited about it.
I'm so keen for some PDQ.
I love PDQ. I'm so keen for PDQ. Watch my vlog if you want to see beach footage.
Watch Mary's vlog if you want to see beach footage.
Watch Eva's vlog if you want to watch what we get at PDQ.
Yeah. What PDQ haul?
We don't know what PDQ stands for, by the way.
Yes, it does. People delivering quality.
That is so dumb. It's a stump namens must live.
It is a pretty dumb name. We all agree.
But it is very good. Chicken.
At the end of the day, they really are people delivering quality.
Okay.
We're gonna order a lot of food.
We'll do 5 strawberry. Do you want strawberry?
Thanks, Stra.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers to a real thick shake. Australia doesn't know how to make thick shakes.
One thing about Rachel is she's been comparing everything here to Australia. So it's been really really educational to learn like what's different and the same.
One thing about my sisters is that they just aren't as
cultured and well traveled.
well, she said it. So I'm gonna take kind of a lot of this view from that.
Even this. I got a no pickle honey chicken sandwich, which is so good. Is that buzzing, Janelle?
It's buzzing.
I think Delbert had a long day. He didn't even finish his cheesecake. Guess who's keen for the gym today? Me.
Eve is way more keen than I am.
After all that pump music. Cheers. Can I put it in the end?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that this is really optimal lighting.
Should we go inside?
I'm a lighting tech too.
I don't know audio tech.
Anyway, keen for the gym.
Keen for the gym.
We'll talk more inside. I think because I think we're gonna be there alone.
Well, I saw someone, but hopefully he's leaving. Oh, he just hopped onto a elliptical.
Yeah, he's doing cardio. Cardio king.
Cardio king. Give us an outfit of the day, Rach.
This outfit is brought to you by my favorite color, purple. And also not caring what I look like at the gym. Drink by Alani, new. Sweater by Eva. Sponsored by CrossFit Games. Leggings by TJ Maxx. Yellow socks, Crocs.
Slay mommy.
My favorite Westview cutoff. Westview Warriors win!
Is it going?
Right here?
This quarter zip is from the Air Force.
We get it, you're in the military.
Top is Lulu. Leggings are Lulu. Vans are like 10 years old. But don't get it twisted. I don't just work out in Lulu every day. It just so happens that I'm like.
It just so happens.
Yeah. People's purple princess. Purple girl.
So embarrassing. Play. This might not be my best. I'm trying. Bench PR. I don't know if those are optimal. I don't know if those are optimal. I just do them because they make my triceps come out, but I don't know if they're optimal or not. If you know, let me know. Are they optimal?
Ask JPG something.
JPG, where you at?
So the real reason I came to the gym tonight is because I didn't have enough content for my vlog. Turned out really good for both of us.
Really good for both of us. My shoulders are
roasted. Having a hard time holding up the camera.
Kann botnet. I'm shitling right now.
She's shitling. She's shitling in her pants, girl. And I stand by that. I love that for you, girl.
Sorry, just
Amish thing. The Amish girlies get it. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. If you know, I'm just shitling in my pants. These literally cookies in Maha.
What time is it, Rachel?
It's
11:38.
23:38.
I have 23:38 too.
Anywhere do you?
She could just translate it faster. I'm just gonna end this here so I don't forget. Thank you for, oh my lands, my shoulders are so sore. Thank you for watching Vlogmas Day 21. We'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, do not send it. That's fine.
Cheers.
Cheers.